The next concept we are going to discuss is unitary method. Unitary method. Okay, I will explain what is unitary method with the help of an example. Okay, now look at this example. 5 strawberries cost rupees 15. Okay, it is given 5 strawberries, the cost is 15 rupees. Okay, now the question is we have to find the cost of 8 strawberries. Okay children, so first 5 strawberries cost is given and we have to find for 8. Okay, so how can we find for 8 strawberries? First we have to find the cost of 1 strawberry. Okay, so cost of 1 strawberry, how can we find? We have to divide. Yes, so cost of 5 strawberries is given as 15 rupees. So what is the cost of 1 strawberry? 15 divided by 5. Okay, so 3 rupees. So 3 rupees is the cost of 1 strawberry. Okay, after finding the cost of 1, we have to find the cost of the required quantity given. Okay, so what is the value of the required quantity? Value of one item, that is the cost of one item into the required quantity. Okay, so required quantity is 8 strawberries here. Okay, so we are finding for 8 strawberries. What is the value of one strawberry? Cost of one strawberry 3 rupees. So how can we find for 8? 3 into 8. Okay, so that is equal to 24 rupees is the cost of 8 strawberries. So this is unitary method. Okay, so the cost of will be given, cost of something. Okay, it will be given. First we will find the value of 1. Okay, so we will find the value of 1 first and then we will find the value of the required quantity. Okay, whatever quantity is given in the question, for that we have to find. Okay, so when this method is called unitary method, that is some quantity will be given, finding the cost of 1 or finding the value of 1 and then finding the value of the required quantity is called unitary method. Clear? While doing exercise problems you will understand it better. I am giving you one more example. Okay, so here the cost of 10 apples is given. Okay, so 10 apples, it is equal to 100 rupees. Okay, so what is unitary method? First we will find the cost of 1 apple and then we will find the cost of the required quantity. Here we have to find the cost of 6 apples. Okay, so before finding the cost of 6 apples we have to find the cost of 1. Yes or no? Only if we find the value of 1, we will be able to find the value of required quantity given. Okay, so for 1 apple, how can we find? 10 apple, it is 100 rupees. So 1 apple, it is equal to 100 divided by 10. Okay, that is nothing but 1 0 will be cancelled and we have 10 rupees. So 10 rupees is the cost of 1 apple. Okay, now it is easy for us to find the value or the cost of 6 apples. How can we find the cost of 1 apple, that is 10 rupees into for 6 apples? So it is equal to 60 rupees. Clear children how to find? Okay, this is unitary method. Okay, now let's see exercise problems. Exercise 12.3, question number 1. If the cost of 7 meter of cloth is rupees 294, find the cost of 5 meter of cloth. Okay, so what is the question? The cost of 7 meter cloth is given. We have to find the cost of 5 meter cloth. Okay, so unitary method. First we have to find the cost of 1 meter cloth. Okay, so cost of 7 meter cloth is given. Okay, so cost of 7 meter cloth is rupees 294. Okay, first we have to find the cost of 1 meter cloth. How can we find? We have to find by dividing. Okay, so 294 divided by 7. Okay, so when you divide 294 by 7, what do you get? 7 4s are 28. 1 is remainder. Bring down 4. 7 2s are 14. Okay, so 42. So 42 rupees is the cost of 1 meter cloth. Okay, so the cost of 1 meter cloth is 42 rupees. Okay, now question is we have to find the cost of 5 meter cloth. Okay, so how can we find? We have to multiply. Okay, so 42 into 5. Okay, when you multiply 42 and 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fours are 20 plus 1, 21. So 210. Okay, so this is the cost of 5 meter cloth. Clear, children? So this way of finding is known as unitary method. Okay, first the cost of many will be given. We will find the cost of one by dividing. Okay, after finding the cost of one, we will find the cost of the required quantity by multiplying. Clear?